episode. I'm just warning you, it doesn't work. Sometimes it I don't have that much storage. So yeah, let me just go. Okay. I'm just gonna buy something, guys. Hey, Hussein? Oh, I touched somebody. Hey, where's the thing? Where's the buy? I'm so dumb. Okay, just buy that. No. You didn't go without me. You went without me, bro. Why did you not wait for me? Saying, I'm just gonna show my fans how I do it. Okay. Wait, please. Wait. 1. Yeah, go. And my torch! Fast as fuck, boy. Bro, why are you so fast? Me too. What's wrong with you? Hey. Bro, this will be easy. Last time, I almost got to the end. Fast boy. I died. Revenge me. Okay, let me build my real boats. Tell me if it goes to the end. Last time when my let's spawn big boy. Let's spawn my first boat. The beauty and country. The boat I love. This one. The beauty boat. I'm launching, bro. I already have a boat. Hey, it's fast. My first boat is fast. I'm the smallest bird. I want to say the bird. I'm the smallest boat. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest boat. I'm the biggest boat. I'm the biggest boat. I'm the biggest boat. Guys, subscribe if we want our face shown in front of you, like 1 million people. God, the big. Bro, it's so that big. Oh fuck. Okay, that's only like 2. Oh no. See funny. Yes, I have a steering wheel, but I have a steering wheel. But stare, bro. Stare, Hassan, stare. I'm the biggest bird. I told you I was the biggest bird. I'm fat. You're fat. Guys, no! chocolate. I'm the biggest bird. Eh, yeah. Shake that. Why is there no paint? I'm getting 1,000. Zain, savior. I have a door. I have a door. For real. For real, I have a door. Okay, we're gonna save the Let's go to the second one, guys. This big boy, not because this little one is like fast as shit. For real. But the cakes are blocking my way. It's just too easy to hit my things. I need.
Engine is broken. No way.
Wait. Big plan.
What's a big plan, bro?
I can't say it because you're gonna get angry.
Can I do epic hardcore?
Bro, when does wait, I can see you! Rip Hussein. Guys, put Rip Hussein in the chat. But Rip Hassan. When I die.
I'm gonna just
Bro, my ball sucker! No! Ball sucker, don't leave me, please. Bro, why am I saying that? Dad, that's what me when I see my dad getting the milk. Dad, no! Not us, guys. Oh, oh, oh! It's this red. No, I'm destroying these! Curry Kitchen is the ankle breaker, though. Like, I'm the second one. Bro, ankle break everyone. Hey, Corey. You're still the ankle breaker, right? You're the ankle breaker, still. Forever ankle breaker. Even if it doesn't post it. Bro, if I see one. I'm freaking destroying these. This is the last time when I died. I remember you, cake. Patrick thinks these are cake, guys. Oh my freaking god! I'm flicking as I am flying. Patrick! Oh! Patrick, stop flying! The boat is freaking flying, guys. Oh no. Come on. I can't even see. Bro, this is... Ah! What's wrong with this? What's wrong with this engine? Bro, I didn't even add an engine at first. No. Oh, crap! Now I'm dying here at the simple... I see your boat! The boat when you die. My dad. Wait, is that my boat? That's my boat. Oh my god. get a lot of money. Bro, if somebody sees you, not my fault. You die. Bro, somebody just died. I mean the hot dog world. Can we beat him still? I see his boat. Somebody's boat. Help me, bro. I don't know who's that, but he's an idiot. This boat is the legendary boat. This is why I saved it. Even if if I passed him. Oh no! Ah! It's honey world, guys. That's why my mom says I'm a honey. I'm gonna get so much money. I have like 138 now. Oh, that's all? That's so shit. 3 in a row, baby. I didn't say that. I'm coming to say. I have your favorite flag? I have a one chair so I can sit. Oh. Go sit in my seat. Okay, fine.
Wait, don't.
I'm putting it down. Yeah.
Is you recording?
Yeah. Let's go. I'm not dying.
We're not dying still.
Yeah. Oh, it's backwards.
So everything's backwards. Who's that? Is it gonna be high?
I don't think we will. It's playing the intense music. I love this music. Why does it keep on turning me back? Bro.
Backwards.
Yeah. Front is backwards. Oh! I can't see. I'm also good. Not my fault. We flipped. Okay. Let me show you my boat.
Go into that boat that you survived it.
I survived this one.
Dad, we get the same
I have
paycheck.
+8. Yeah. That's awesome. Yeah. That's good. I wanna name it everything. But I can't name it like swear words like the A. S
If you
word.
name it that.
Yo, what my ass?
No, fuck, that's gay.
I'm not trying to get some subs. Build an engine, huh? Do you see how we drive these engines?
I am at the back.
But you don't press anything.
Hey, but that, I think that will be bad for you, saying you can also control. I can't press it too.
See? The boat not flipping. My first ever boat. Or I'm just down. Wait! Dan was good at this boat because it's so fast. Let me just anchor brake these stuff. Anchor brake. You think I can't see that?
You going in the same direction like you did stuff? Stop breaking stuff.
I'm trying to go to the other side. Watch if the engine brakes. Anchor brake, that shit. 5 swears. There's a Hassan swear because I always rage. Stop doing Kenny crap. Say, stop doing Kenny crap. apartment is pretty good.
You don't.
I went to a honey one.
You know that.
I never know this. This is so pretty. Nah, not. But this looks cool. Blue, red. Where's yellow? Where's yellow? Oh, this. What is it?
Oh, those places.
Nope.
I remember.
Don't remember this one.
Yeah.
I have a steering wheel. Oh, I remember this. You probably get less. I remember this.
Remember, guys?
Oh no. Nah, last. Wait,
There's balls.
I hate balls. Like when woman's off. Come on, steering wheel. Hey, Matey, stop! Mate, stop! So I just jump. He's such a pig. Nah, I'm just.
We're still having the same page.
Wait. Patrick, I'm not dying because of my cake.
Die, please.
Okay, fine.
Let's see how much again. 56. Okay. Oh, let's. Damn, I got.
I have
I got a hunter award.
146.
I have 164. You paid 56.
56, bro, that's ass. I have 200. Get wrecked. Oh, let's go. Got a war.
Okay, just get the save that we were just now.
Let's upgrade it. Now let's do.
I'm gonna put a ground cakes around me so I don't die.
Isn't that gonna make it heavier?
I know, but
Let me just delete some stuff now. Just joking. It's too legendary.
yeah, I remember. But we can't have it in the corner. Or else you know what will happen.
The cake legendaries. Cake is too good.
Wow.
Why can we not eat this? If Creative's watching this, if a saying like reported you and anything, I hate it in the same time. You and I.
Shut up. So I can't get out this. So can I go back to my bed now? We are both in.
Not. I'm in your bed.
Oh yeah. Ah! It's more than that.
Bro, you have more protection. Do the same with us. Oh, never mind. You saying? Ugh, animated him here now. You're a dumbass. I launched. You're a dumbass. You're still here, dumbass.
At least I'm still here.
What dumbass?
Oh, this is so funny.
You know what can be cool? Like building a boat. And a shark comes for you. Yeah.
That was so cool. But
I remember being in the dice level.
But with your with like yours.
I'm a second knee ankle breakers. No, I'm just joking. Corey Kitchen, king of everything. Best player. Oh, why did I jump? I jumped! Say control! Yes, I'm back. I actually
don't have my engine.
Don't worry. I have the controller back.
But at least
Be in the safe.
protected.
Oh, I remember this shit.
So every time you just eat it like
Broke something.
okay.
I don't know why this is.
Having a big boy is actually very. Did you know that?
Yeah, this is the only big boy. I shouldn't have seen it. Oh, this is beautiful. We in the same thing again.
We're getting. We're close.
Nah, we beating this game.
Because you remember
Last
I
time.
saved you.
Last time you saved me. Thank you, brother. Thank you. But we need to go to Starlight. Yeah, remember that. This is sick. Spud. I hate this level. It's so big. Yeah, I'm going to it. I can't. I need to see Sponge. Ow! Ow! Why is it in front? See? Yeah, it's SpongeBob. Oh, this is easy. My chest! You matey! Don't worry, bro. I'll build it for you. Ah, must pass in here. No, bitch! Wait, tell me I can build. Ow! My chair! Oh my god, oh man. That's so brutal, bro. This game is so brutal.
Okay, now we need
56 gold!
I don't think. Okay, I said let's go on a different beach boat. Or do you want to come with me?
Nah, I'm fine.
I'm going. I see. Sorry, bro. Why don't you come here and stir with me? For me.
I can't stir, bro.
You could stir with me.
Don't you get money?
I didn't get
Bro, this is...
I got
Okay, where's the star?
Oh yeah, you're something. Okay.
Get up.
Wait. Okay, now
Wait, let me hear something.
you're gonna put a thing for me, and then you put that protection for me.
Okay, I need this protection more of my stuff. I have a door.
There's the roof. Okay.
Go, go. Put your chair. Put a chair on you.
I don't know. Okay. No, not enough space.
I have. Come on.
Wait,
Go.
go upload the video.
Let me just build it on top of it. Let me build it on top of me. You have your own world up there. I have my driving license to get. You have a party up there.
I played Build a Boat Part 2.
Hussein, you left.
Oh no, I'm gonna cut the stuff.
Oh, I love you. Please don't. Please.
Wait, I also need to just.
No! Half of the thing fell. Let me build a boat for you. Let me, Hussein, you know what I'm gonna do for you? I'm gonna be a nice brother. Everything that's up here is yours. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna build a big protection for you. If I crash, it's not my fault. Crazy kids here. Gamer boy. Sheesh. So cool. Bruh. Okay, I'm just gonna build stuff for Hussein.
So we might meet again.
What's up, guys? We're back.
You're back.
I'm back. Stop.
Do it that right. Hurry. I know.
Hussein's pissed off with his phone right now, so. Because it restarts. Can you hear if it goes fast?
Gosh.
So you might be falling, okay? Nah, I'm just joking. Why is there spirit cake up here? Why is there even stuff here? That's I'm waiting for you, bro. I did some improvements. I don't think this thing is gonna work because I'm putting a ass chair.
I don't need struck.
Struck his ass.
Oh yeah. That's nice.
Yeah, you just a
Creative game.
you always like creative games like cool on
DLS 23 is the worst.
Yeah, you might be like dying or something because it might be thick. No.
You need it a little bit more thicker. Maybe fitted. Okay.
In a chair. A freaking big chair. Let's put a torch in there. And let me put a baby chair.
Wait, I need to YouTube music.
Put Miles Morales. Keep a chair. You might be like dying, bro.
YouTube thing.
Bro, you might be dying, no.
Okay.
You might be suffocating, you know. You might be suffocating, bro. Your Jones, baby steering. Say, just in case you fall. Now we're taking those hands. Yeah. Why is my ball stuck? It's gonna fly away.
Let me increase that.
Saying, no, YouTube's gonna use this full volume. Don't. YouTube's gonna use this full volume.
The fudge. Oh, sucker.
No, those are eyes. Those are creepy. These are creepy. Let me put. We don't like purple. I'm sorry, purple lovers. What? Come on, just join already.
Wait. Jesus Christ.
Hussein, I'm sorry about your boat. But the legendary boat. And this game gonna get updated for like 5 years or something. Because this door looks like it came from 1 year. Okay, Roblox. We need to talk if we ever see each other because this, I'm saying, Don't worry, there's a baby chair sitting inside. Psych. There's a baby chair sitting inside, but it's getting comfortable. So, what I'm gonna do? Shut up. So checking them out, just gonna get copyrighted. So you know you're gonna get copyrighted. Yes, of course. I am the leader of everything. Hussein, come. Go to the door.
Correct.
Are you recording? Howdy.
Welcome back to a new video. You can see that camera up there, right? It's not a part of Roblox. So,
You know what I said? Hi. Whoa, you can actually see.
okay.
How you
Start that
say?
bad boy. I know what to do, guys.
You ready?
Wait, I just started to cut.
Nah.
Now I'm ready.
Yeah, you may buy that. I never tested it and I never see it. So I have. Sorry, crazy kid.
Crazy Kids doesn't got joined. Wait, Crazy Kids your friend?
No. I don't want to come. They can come here and mess up my boat.
We made it.
Did you download? Did you delete the other video? No, I mean slap your freaking face off. Why are you so rude, bro? Nah, I'm not gonna stop talking. I get grumpy. And why am I not acting as a pirate? Jamie? Yes, mate. Say yes. Hold your face. That's right. Why? We did. Okay. Unsafe precious face. Why people wanna join? Ooh, ah! Somebody died. No! Ow! My chair! My chair! Where am I? No, I don't want to go back. Get the gold, mate.
I don't want to. Jump over that bad boy. Jump over that bad boy.
Getting
Keep
hit.
doing that. Watch.
I want the pink, but I don't want to spend more.
Nobody's gonna see us.
What's this? Okay, let's just build a simple boat.
Get us.
Yes. Let's
Keep going there.
torch on. No!
Okay, at least I got a color.
Where am I gonna sit?
Where's my peach? Oh, you know my peach.
Is it 40?
No fair! I got 40! Because I went to the next island.
What you mean?
I just
Okay, I'm gonna hurt you.
wow, wait. No, sir, what did you do?
I accidentally pressed it. Goodbye, bro.
Wait, I can do this. Can I?
Okay, coming, bro.
I'm coming for help me.
We're coming, bro.
And I don't think I'm gonna die if I keep jumping.
Yeah, you're gonna die. There we go.
I can die.
Say come back.
Help me! Help me!
I can't!
You little pussy.
You swear twice.
No, I already said once.
How am I here?
I said come on the island. Oh, dumbass. Okay, let's go at the same time and
Wait.
never lunch.
Wait a second, bro. Mate,
Don't.
you wanna do something silly, matey? Matey!
What's in inventory? Oh, I don't have anything. Do I have to subscribe button at least? Hi.
Wait. Wait, somebody joined. Hi.
Don't let them join.
Yeah, it's okay.
They know us. Are you a fan? Say, are you a fan?
Wait, how
Say, are you a fan? Who? Oh, they know us! Let me get there. Do they know us? Wait.
Are you serious?
Crazy kid. You can join. I'm gonna make
Nice. How does he know our name, though? Please, I haven't heard of your fucking channel.
Think about.
Then how do you know my name?
KNOW. I'm thinking about making one of 4 VR and PC.
I spelled it wrong, bro.
You.
Oh!
I'm gonna say wrong.
Okay, mate.
I'm just gonna say everything then. That's your boat.
Yeah, you saw nothing, okay? You scallywags, do your stuff.
Okay, so I'm gonna launch. I'm launching, okay, I said?
Oh, you can't, bro. Out of bounds. Shut up.
I'm gonna launch, okay?
Okay.
How am I gonna die that quick?
Crazy kid. What the hell, bro? Crazy kid. Go.
Whoa. Why is my boat like this?
My boat also went like that, bro.
I died already.
I was like,
How much sugar I still get? I can see it. Okay. Well, I wanna ask you, can you join? Oh, is that you? You're crazy, bro. You gone, bro. You wanna come?
Let's make a mega player. Let's ask Crazy Kid.
Okay.
This is too trash. Get away from me. Let me just launch it. Goodbye, son.
No. No, son.
Sorry.
No, son,
You suffer.
you son of a bitch.
Now you are swearing! I knew it!
You're a bitch asshole.
Let's ask Crazy Kid. Oh, Crazy Kid. How do you spell hey?
I don't need that no more.
How do you spell hey, Crazy Kid?
I don't know. Just watch.
Okay.
Let me tell you.
What's up? Delete the purple box.
The purple box.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Oh! I'm done dead. Bro, God! I'm almost dead. Hey, I'm dying over here, and the fans want to see that. Oh, this is crazy.
Oh, I always want to
That
take
is
a picture of this.
Press screenshot.
Screenshot.
Screenshot. Screenshot. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful, guys.
I ain't definitely using that. Oh, this is crazy.
Yep.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah, I'm out of the map. Crazy Kid? Crazy Kid?
Come back.
Say Crazy Kid is the GOAT.
OMG.
Yeah, let me say OMG.
Wait a minute. That was okay.
Chocolate! Hey, why is he standing like that? Hey, yo, what the hell, bro?
I'm gonna get on the top, okay? No. Oh no.
I think only 2 can launch.
So I'm gonna launch, okay? You see that, guys? Last off in 3, 2. Go!
That's how I suffered, bro.
You did?
Yeah, I'm just gonna...
What the hell?
I can't launch.
Now we just glitch.
Whatever. What the... Don't even dare. Don't report.
Except
Yeah, we need more members. Remember when we say we don't? Yeah, I'm the GOAT.
Friend request. Friend request.
Yeah, I'm already adding it. Is he my friend? Let's check.
Wait. I wanna get the use. Yeah, I suppose. Well, I use my helicopter, okay? When I'm not.
Say goodbye, mate, from Hassan. Hussein. Hussein. Just say, did you friend request me? From Hassan Pumpkin.
Where bad boy? Okay.
That'll be the end of the video.
What?
If you're seeing this crazy kid, and if you and
Like this?
just subscribe, crazy kid. If you don't have to subscribe.